Hi, I'm Lily and welcome to Top Crypto. Today, I'm going to show you what is Binance's new launch pool and how it works, but please note that I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. I'll leave the website link in description so you can check it later after the video. So what is launch pool? Basically, a launch pool is when users take their crypto assets in projects to provide liquidity to a liquidity pool and they will get rewards. This is also known as yield farming. Binance introduced Launchpool to allow its users to farm new assets and acquire new tokens and rewards in return for staking different tokens. Now, how to participate in this project? First thing, you need to log into your Binance account. Open the home page from the link in description and go to this navigation button, click on it, then choose Launchpad. In the launch pool section, you can see the different tokens. Let us take Mobox as an example. Mobox, a gaming platform combining automated optimized DeFi yield farming and gaming NFTs to create GameFi. You can look here and find the end time, total rewards, annual percentage yield, farming period and today's rewards. If you want to launch a project on Binance, they say, Binance Launchpad and Launchpool are platforms that help and advise project teams on how to best issue and launch their token. We provide a full service offering starting from advisory services from before the token is even issued, to post-listing and marketing support. Our goal is to allow project teams to focus on their project development and continue building products, while we handle the marketing, exposure and initial user base. We look for strong teams with a unique and innovative vision in the crypto space. You can click here to apply for it. So thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like. Make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered and subscribe to our Top Crypto channel, so you can get other great content like this one that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. Don't forget to check out the links in description. That's all for now, thank you for being here.